Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 29th April 2024. In this video, let us identify bullish and bearish trade setup stocks for daily income trade and hourly income trade. They are nothing but short-term income trades. Even before that, a small announcement, please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos you can access from our YouTube channel. So please visit the NeoStock YouTube channel and click on the tab Community. You will get into this page. Here in this post, we have provided the link to the playlist having all the training videos. So just click on the link. Now you will get into the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Here you have all the training lessons. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Starting from lesson 1.1. All the training lessons are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we'll provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation. The first report we are going to generate is a bullish trade setup for a daily income trade. In daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And also the parameter bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, that is entry time frame, you need to select the value bullish. And also I'm going to set 3 additional filters. The first filter is I don't want pierced zones for my entry zone. My entry zone is demand zone in 15 minutes time frame. So I don't want pierced zones. For that, there is a parameter called pierced count. And look into the last parameter in this space, pierced count. So in 15 minutes time frame, that is our entry time frame, I want to set minimum value as 0 and maximum value as 0. That indicates the pierced count should be 0. If the pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. Only zones that are not pierced are tradable zones. Next, zone achievement, second filter. So in zone achievement, I am selecting the value VOZ. That means violated opposing zone. And the third filter, minimum odd enhancer score. The minimum odd enhancer score for bullish or bearish trade setup should be 12. So with these filters, let me generate the report. So 11 stocks are filtered. Currently these 11 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch this report and then move on to the next report. In case if you are not aware of how to understand this report, please complete our training lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. In that lesson, I have explained each and every column in detail and each of these abbreviations and their values. And also in that video, I explained how we can draw zones in TradingView by taking the timestamps from leg in, base and leg out from this report. Okay, I am moving back and generating the next report. So now we are going to generate bearish trade setup for a daily income trade. So daily income trade entry time frame is 15 minutes. But for bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And the 3 filters are already we set in the previous screen. So they are still remains holds good. So now let us generate the report. So 6 stocks are filtered. Currently these 6 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade. Okay. Now let's generate bullish and bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, your entry time frame is 5 minutes, and the entry zone should be demand zone for bullish trade setup. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, this time I am selecting 5 minutes because 5 minutes is our entry time frame. So there we need to select bullish. And the 3 filter we are going to set. The first filter, zone should not be pierced. So we have a pierced count. In 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting minimum value as 0 and the maximum value as 0. That means zone is not pierced. And in zone achievement, selecting violated opposing zone VOZ. And minimum odd enhancer score, selecting the value 12. So with these filters, let me generate the report. Now 13 stocks are filtered. All these 13 stocks are supporting a bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. Okay, let me go back and generate the next report. The next report is a bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So entry time frame is 5 minutes, but for bearish trade setup, entry zone is supply zone. And also in this parameter, bullish or bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes time frame, now I am selecting bearish. And whatever the 3 filters we set, they are still holds good. Now let me generate the report. So these 4 stocks are filtered, which are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So with this we have generated demand and supply zones, bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade and hourly income trade. The last report we will generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. So using based on daily ATR I am generating. So this is the complete list. This is the daily ATR value in this column. And 5% ATR you have to use it for DIT trade, and 3% ATR you have to use it for hourly income trade. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So I keep on scrolling this list down by giving you a few seconds. So whichever the stock you want to refer, there you pause the video and you can refer the stock. So I'm scrolling down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.